10 Amazon finds every girl needs. The last one is insane. This is a snap-head toilet scrubber that lets you clean, click, and toss. No gross brushes, no bacteria. This is an electric spin scrubber with 8 interchangeable heads and voice prompts. Deep cleans your bathroom without back pain. 10,000 plus sold already. This is a touchless soap dispenser that mounts to your wall. Hands-free, USB chargeable, and gives your sink that luxe hotel vibe. This is a smart trash can that opens when you walk up. Touchless, odor-proof, and makes your bathroom feel 10 times cleaner instantly. This is a detergent dispenser that pumps without spilling and comes with a mini cup. This is a foldable wall-mount ironing board that flips out when you need it, then vanishes. Perfect for small rooms, dorms, or travel. This is a balcony drying rack that clips onto your railing. Perfect for quick-drying delicates and socks. No more wet clothes on chairs. This is a 3-pack stainless steel whisk set. Works like a charm on eggs, sauces, or lattes. Chef vibes for under $5? Yes, please. This is a car cup holder expander that holds your mega coffee cups, bottles, or even fries, because your current one just isn't enough. This is a mini projector that flips 180 degrees and works on ceilings, walls, tents, instant cozy movie nights anywhere. Trust, it's a vibe.